Ever stared at an email for way too long, knowing it doesn't sound quite right, but you just can't figure out how to fix it? Or maybe you've written a social media post, and you're worried about those little grammar mistakes that can make you look less professional. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt that frustration, you are not alone. But what if I told you there's a free, incredibly smart assistant you can use 24/7 to be your personal editor? That's exactly what we're diving into today. In this video, you will learn how to use DeepSeek to instantly check for grammar and spelling mistakes. The simple trick to rewrite any text to sound more professional, friendly, or clear. My top tips for writing the best instructions to get the perfect results every time. And how to use this for everyday tasks like emails, social posts, and even your resume. This is one of the most practical and instantly useful skills you can learn, and I promise it's completely beginner-friendly. No confusing tech talk, just simple step-by-step guidance. Section 1. What is DeepSeek and why use it as an editor? So what is DeepSeek? We've talked about it in previous videos, but for anyone new, DeepSeek is a powerful AI chat tool that's completely free to use. Think of it as a super smart friend who's an expert in writing. Why use it as an editor? It's free. No subscriptions, no hidden costs. It's fast. Get feedback and rewrites in seconds. It's non-judgmental. You can pace your rough first draft without feeling embarrassed. It's here to help, not to criticize. This is perfect for building your confidence in writing, whether it's for work, school, or just your daily online life. Section 2. Finding DeepSeek and setting up your request. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to chat.deepseek.com. You can create a free account, which is fantastic for beginners. Now, here's the first pro tip. Instead of just pasting your text and hoping for the best, we're going to start with a clear, simple instruction. This is the secret sauce to getting great results. In the chat box, we'll start by telling DeepSeek what we want it to do. For example, let's say we want to check grammar. We would type something like, "Can you please check the following text for any grammar or spelling mistakes?" Or if we want to rewrite, "Can you make the following text sound more professional?" By setting this context first, you're guiding the AI and telling it exactly what job you want it to do. Section 3. The practical example. Fixing a work email. Let's work through a real-life example. Imagine you've drafted this quick email to a colleague. "Hey Mike, I need the Q3 report. Can you send it? It's really urgent. Sorry to bother, but I need it ASAP. Thanks." It gets the point across, but it's a bit casual and has some grammar issues. Let's make it sound more professional. First, I'll go back to DeepSeek. I've already set the context by typing, "Can you make this email sound more professional and polish the grammar?" Now, I'll just paste the email right below that instruction and hit enter. Wow, look at that. In just a few seconds, it gives us a beautifully rewritten version. Subject, urgent request, Q3 report. "Hi Mike, I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing to request the Q3 report as soon as possible, as it is needed urgently. Could you please send it over at your earliest convenience? I apologize for the short notice and appreciate your help with this. Thank you. Your name." See the difference? It's polite, clear, and professional. It fixed the grammar like it's transformed the whole tone. If you like this version, you could just copy and paste it directly into your email. Section 4. Trying different tones and they explain this trick. Now, what if you don't want professional? What if you want it to sound more friendly or enthusiastic? The power is in your instructions. Let's try the same email, but this time I'll ask, "Can you rewrite this to sound more friendly and casual?" DeepSeek is incredibly versatile. You can ask it to make text shorter, longer, more persuasive, or even write it in the style of a specific character. Here's another fantastic tip for beginners. If you're not just looking for a correction, but you also want to learn, ask DeepSeek to explain the changes. You could say, "Please rewrite this and also explain the grammar corrections you made so I can learn." This turns DeepSeek from just an editor into a personal tutor, helping you improve your own writing skills over time. Section 5. More beginner tips and everyday use cases. Let's quickly brainstorm where else you can use this amazing tool in your everyday life. Social media posts. Make your captions more engaging or check for mistakes before you post. Resume or CV bullet points. Make your experience sound more impactful and professional. University essays. Check for clarity and complex grammatical errors. Always remember to use it as a tool, not to write the whole essay for you. Dating app bio. Make your bio more fun and interesting. Text messages. Okay, maybe not for every text to your friends, but for that important message where you want to get the tone just right. Final pro tip. Don't be afraid to iterate. If you don't like the first rewrite, you can simply type, "Can you try making it a bit shorter?" Or "Can you make it sound more formal?" Keep the conversation going until you get the perfect version. Conclusion and recap. And just like that, you now have a powerful, free, personal editor in your pocket. Think of the time and stress this can save you every single day. Let's do a quick recap of what you've learned. You learned how to find DeepSeek and set up your editing request with a clear instruction. You saw a live example of turning a casual email into a professional one. You discovered how to change the tone of any text from professional to friendly. And you got my pro tips, like asking for explanations and using it for everything from social media to your resume. This is just the beginning. As you get more comfortable, you'll find even more amazing ways to use AI to make your digital life easier. If you found this video helpful and you're excited to stop worrying about grammar mistakes, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech guides like this one. I'd love to hear from you. What are you going to use DeepSeek to edit first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.